All right, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. We are back again in a new video reaction. I just want us to pay close attention to what we're about to discuss here because so many things is going on, and I think we need to understand that the issue of insecurity in Nigeria, some people are celebrating, some are seeing it as a kind of business venture, some are doing all they can just because their brother is in charge, and some are celebrating because they have managed, they have figured a way on how to control those that are controlling the country. You understand? But you and I know that from our own people, Igbo race, we are struggling in many things, and we are going to go through some of the video. You know, last time I told us that when you talk about Oduduwa people, Yoruba people, some of them are not happy about what is going on. Some actually see it as a way of that is not, you can't build a country by doing that kind of thing. So, but before then, I have a video of a Yoruba woman, you know, sending message to Tinubu, and we are going to talk about it. So, but we have to start from somewhere. You understand? You have to start from somewhere. Please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Okay, put your comments. Let me know what you think about what you are going to discuss here. So the people you are seeing here happen to be Fulani people with their catapult and their gravel. You can see them celebrating. Watch. So when you pay close attention, you can see how they carry their gravel up. You can see that, and doing selfie. And most of them, they are not going to school. Their own is to grow up and get married, impregnate some people, maybe those that kidnap and all that. They are just having fun, and having fun at detriment of other people's life. They are doing selfie, going, you know, TikTok live, appearing without any fear, whatever. Remember the video of one Fulani guy who sent message to Tinubu last time, saying that Tinubu, that we are not warning you, we are not afraid of you. You remember? I think I need to look for that video and remind you the mindset of an average Fulani man, because we know, normally we call them average northerners. Now we can now differentiate them, we can now separate them to know who is who. Now watch. I hope the song is not going to give me copyright because I don't know what they're talking about, to be honest with you. So I think I'm going to stop it here. The reason is because you need to know who these people are and their intention and their motive. All right. Now, let's go straight to the video of this Yoruba woman. As you can see here on your screen, she has something to say. This to tell you that not all of them are actually happy, you know, with what is going on. Some of them, in fact, do you know that Yorubas are one of the people that are receiving it in terms of insecurity, hardship, and most of those things are going on now. So I'm trying to reduce the size so that you yourself can see it properly. So this woman is the woman we are talking about. Okay. I have to go back again. To make sure that I bring it very, very well. No, not this one, please. Just bear with me. I have to say it properly. All right, let's go. Just pay attention. All right. This is the woman we are talking about, and I want you to hear what she said. I'm gonna take the video back so that you can start from the beginning. Let's go there.
Oh, sorry, I'm just coming back from church, and President Tinubu, how far? As much as we say citizens should not talk, as much as we say we know what you are doing, at this junction, it is clear that Baba, you don't confuse. Forget it. At this junction, Baba, 2027 no sure for you self know in the heart of your heart, in the mind of your mind, Baba. But wait, come to even think of it. Do other government not steal, the other countries not steal, but are their citizens suffering? Are their citizens not living fine? But come to even think of it, you these politicians, I'm so sorry to say, una no get sense. Bam, egbabe. Because how come you will steal and steal and steal and steal? Okay, after the stealing, where are you taking the money? That is how dumb people are. You will steal the economy money finish. You will steal the money they are supposed to use to improve our life. Bam, you will not carry the money. You will not go and be improving another person's country. Because tell me why you will steal. Let's even say you are even stealing and giving it back to us. And even your citizens are not dying. See, we overlook the nonsense. Oh, le ma power lójoojúmọ́ kadake. It's not possible. Oh, le ma power lójoojúmọ́ kadake now. A part in the constitution says we can act on self-defense, yes. Because Boston law, you are trying to tell every Nigerian to defend themselves that you cannot help us. That is the meaning of what you are trying to do, Baba. But Baba, remember that you are a kingmaker and we warned you. We want you not to become a king because kingmakers don't become king. But you surely you want to become king. We said it, if you become king, you will be disgraced. We said it, we cried, we clamored, we talked. We said don't be king because I go talk, I'm not really sabi this Yoruba, but now you they make kings. That is the purpose why God created you. You have already found the purpose why God created you. Afobaje. Make people kings. And you now tell me why they will not give you your honor. Why God will not respect you. Why your heavens will open. God has found your own niche for you. But Ojukokoro Bayin, the president. Now you have become the president. Whose name is being spoiled up and down. You think say if you die tomorrow, that name Tinubu, you think that name Tinubu will open door again? You think so? You think say if you die this man with the way you rule this country? If you think say that name Tinubu will open door, if you die, just know say you don't spoil that name. Even if you don't even die, you don't already spoil that name. And you didn't even spoil the name in Nigeria. You spoiled that name worldwide. You spoiled it worldwide. You spoiled it worldwide. Because come to even think of it, go. Fulani go they kill us. I want to get bitter, you to bitter, you go they arrest them. Oh yeah, now one terrorist don't come outside talk for TikTok, say they dare you people to come and carry them. Say they know where the girls are. Say they say, you President Tinubu no go do anything. And you they confirm them. You they confirm them. But if not DSS as I they talk now, I know say if you say make DSS come fish me for my house. But the Boko Harams, you know if you go fish them for their house. When I go they do DSS, go they flex muscle for citizens, but when I not flex muscle for Boko Harams, for bandits. Come on, let it make sense now. Let it make sense now. During Jonathan era, Baba Imoran saying Dada, I don't get amnesia. I remember every move you did. I remember every move. You were the one that spoiled Jonathan's era.
Okay. Did you hear that?
Everything possible to spoil that man's tenure.
Okay.
Thinking you can do better than him. Oh yeah, now you don't sit that seat. Oh yeah, you are now worse than that man.
Mm-hmm.
You don't sit the seat now. Even you, it show me die. Say your mind, you not be sleep for night. It show me die. Our wisdom, you they change organs, you they change everybody. Baba, if you like change God self, that 2027 you no sure for you again because oh the power be only kilo day. Oh the power be only then kama sorrow. Let them kill your own child. How you go feed? Ever since in my 30-something years on earth, I have never benefited from this government. Now no send me go school. Bene gone talo. Bene gives water. You will never see any Bene Noir digging well, digging the floor. They give them water as small as water. But in Nigeria, what are we benefiting from the government? Nothing. To make life miserable for us. By the time you will finish from that place, 40 gone. If you Terr0ri go fetch a second time, 40. Having nothing to show for in my account, and you say make we know the vex. You say make we know the para. You take there with nothing to show for account. But now only in our accounts they profit. Citizens they die, with the hunger, with they go backward. I know saying in making sense country, if you become graduate, your life don't solve. But in my country, as I become graduate, kakakaye me soft, don't listen. Kakakaye me soft, don't listen. They say go school, go school. They say learn work, we learn work. Now they don't tell us say make we learn skill, we don't learn the skill again. Kilo today, she have a power ni. But where is the job? Where is the job? But for you to make the country easy for the city. I can never forget. I hear say Tinubu become president. The money, when we wake up, it's been problem upon problem. Kakako lazy. Since day one you got there. That you need to tell yourself the truth, Baba Tinubu. Let's be factual with ourselves. Let's be factual. Let's be factual, sir.
Okay, that is the message from the woman. But I want you to understand something.
I'm just coming back.
She's not saying this thing because she wants to please anybody. I think she's saying it out of her mind, how she feels and what she's passing through. And thousands, if not millions of Nigerians are going through the same thing. But few of them will come on TikTok, on Twitter, on X, begin to talk as if life is far, far better than their life is different from other ones. Honestly, like I said before, I don't care if Tinubu is going to rule Nigeria for 16 years or 20 years. Not because my life is better than yours, but in fact, the thing is that I know that even if he resign or bring another person, it's still the same thing. Nobody will fix it, nobody will make it work. Because some people believe that they are born to rule. The country belongs to them. They will do everything to maintain the status quo. Because they want to remain, they want power. All they want is power without knowing what to use the power to do. Today, they have successfully armed them and armed their youth, and you don't talk anything again in Nigeria than to talk about security. Where is the security? What is going on? Insecurity. That is the only thing that is you cannot talk about any other thing because you can identify the economy and way of life. That good economy, good life, lifestyle, standard of living, all these things is for the living, not for the dead. Somebody is calling your name to buy you. You think development is what will be ringing in your mind. No. Nobody is talking about, Tinubu did not develop this one. We went with job opportunity. No. Check Nigerian news today. Everything is about they kidnap so person. Insecurity. We cannot sleep. And truly, they cannot sleep. Just a few hours ago, I saw a video of a very dark man reading or playing videos of people from different states. Kogi, number one, and Ogun State. Begging him to come and give them water. They don't have water. And that goes to many other states, of course. Looking for, in 24th century, Nigerians who claim they are giant of Africa, have all the natural resources, could not manage to even give their people drinkable water. Not at all. Now, those states have governor, don't forget that. The governor will turn around and begin to make a presidential speech. That there's no genocide going on. The government to have swift interaction. All of them have one line. They always use the same line to pamper the terrorism and evil. Anyway, I want to know what you think about it. What this woman said, you can see the vibration. And remember, 1 year of Tinubu, the Nigerians gathered to protest and hunger protest, first ever in I think in Africa. I don't know if that is there any country in Africa that have organized such, that you have experienced such protest before, where their citizens come out, they came out in mass to protest for hunger. Only Igbo tribe did not come out to protest for such thing. It's on record. And guess who they're telling you that is the problem of Nigeria? Igbo people. Guess who they don't want to go out from Nigeria? Igbo people. And the same Igbo people is who they tell you that they will never ever emerge as their leader. Even if you, I don't pray that Igbo man will rule Nigeria, because I know as it is now, bring P2B 77. In fact, convert P2B to all the senators, all the governors, and want P2B as a president, it will not face it. Not because P2B is a bad person, but the system and things that surround it will not allow him to even operate anything. Though P2B also need some cleansing, as he has some blood in his hands, based on what people that died under his governorship, under his watch in Anambra State, and dumped them in the River. I still want to hear the justice seeker from Igbo land. Where's the justice of P2B, of people that died in the River? Nobody's talking about that one. Anyway, like the video and let me know what you think about it. God bless you and see you again. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you. God bless you. Bye bye for now.